This will be the elevator at JCPenney, Canton Centre, well, former Canton Centre in Canton, Ohio. And we have an old Montgomery elevator from 1965. These vintage buttons. We'll go down to 1. Hopefully the door closes quick. All right, let's get a cab view. I've been on this thing in 4 years. This thing is awesome. Still one of my favorite elevators. Folks too. Get the attendant service. You guys coming down now, or?
Yeah, but we gotta.
All right. I'll go ahead and wrap it up downstairs. I love these old Montgomery buttons. It's got the old attendant service too. This thing is awesome. I'll send this thing back upstairs for them. And there it goes. And that'll be it.